In round 13, you will crochet Eugene's legs directly into the round. These are no-sew legs made as you go. Start with the first leg, chain 4, crochet 3 single crochets down the chain. Skip the first chain and work into the next 3 chains. Then crochet 3 single crochets into the stitches of the previous round, starting right away in the next stitch on the body. Repeat this same sequence once more to create the second leg. Chain 4, crochet 3 single crochets down the chain. Now make the third leg. This time, crochet 12 single crochets into the body instead of just 3. This creates space between the 2 sets of legs. Next, make the first leg on the other side. Chain 4, crochet 3 single crochets down the chain. Then crochet 3 single crochets into the body stitches. Repeat the sequence twice more to complete the second and third leg on this side. Complete the round by crocheting 12 single crochet stitches. Great, you have crocheted Eugene's legs. Let's move on to the next step.